Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Hello, I'm Hunter.
Hey, I'm Megan, and today we're showing you how to make easy steak and pepper kebabs.
Yes, so the first step we gotta do is we need to marinate our steak. Our steak choices can be any steak that you like. Sirloin is a great steak to use. We right here have round steak cubed up. It's a little leaner, which we enjoy, a nice lean kebab. And our marinade that we're using, we're going to let our steak sit in the marinade for 4 hours. And we're going to create the marinade using some soy sauce, olive oil, some lemon, and minced garlic. And we'll show you how to do that right now.
So to make our marinade, we want to take 1/4 cup of lemon juice.
Which is delicious. Actually, it's not. It's kind of sour.
It's kind of strong there.
Then we'll take a 1/4 cup of soy sauce.
Yes.
And we'll add that into the bowl.
Taking its dandy sweet time.
Yes.
Add that in, sir.
I got it.
Good job.
Thank you.
And then we'll add a 1/4 cup of olive oil.
While she's getting that, I can get 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, or the equivalent of 3 cloves of garlic, if you mince your own garlic. I don't mind garlic sometimes, so a little extra won't hurt.
Yes, we like the garlic.
And so you'll end up putting the steak in this marinade. Well, you want to whisk the marinade first. And then you're going to take your steak, which you cut up into cubes, and just let that sit in there submerged for
About 4 hours.
4 hours, that's right. And if you have a bag, that might work even better. We're going to use a bowl just because bowls are cool.
Bowls are cool.
No hate on the bowls.
Bowl cuts.
Yep. Plus, saves plastic, which
Yes.
is also important.
Environmentally friendly.
We'll see you when these are done marinating.
Yes. I know the password.
I just want to do it.
I want to do it.
Well, you can do it.
So while the steak is marinating, we're going to cut our veggies up for the kebabs. So if you've never cut veggies for kebabs, we're going to cut a red onion and some red peppers. And to start this, you just want to cut the end off of the onion, both ends of them, and then cut the onion in half.
Don't cut yourself.
That's ideal. In fact, cutting yourself would eliminate the kebabs, and you
One
have to
hospital
go.
visit.
Yeah, hospital visit. So once you got the onion in half there, then you just cut it into quarters, and you'll take the inner pieces off. That might be a little too small for your kebabs, but all these layers of each quarter is perfect for a kebab.
It burns.
Also, swimming goggles are encouraged when cutting onions. Shout out to Trevor.
Okay, so for our next vegetable, we want to cut up a red pepper. So to start, you're going to start by cutting out the little center section.
Yes. So the stem on the inside has a little piece that kind of goes straight through the pepper, kind of like a support column. And that's full of seeds, and you don't want seeds in your kebabs. So once you cut that, you're just going to pull it off, just like that. I'll take that.
Look at that. That's one clean pepper.
Nice.
So you're going to cut it in half then, and put it flat side down, and then cut that piece in half, and then cut each of those pieces in half once more.
And that will give you a nice
Little square for your kebab.
square.
Yes, geometry, folks.
We'll meet you out at the grill.
Yes.
Alright, so here we are. It's a beautiful day outside. It's a little windy, but that don't bother me at all. And we're going to start grilling our kebabs. So here we are. We got our beef kebabs and our grill on medium. And so we're just going to put our kebabs on for about 12 minutes total, and every 3 or 4 minutes we want to rotate them so that they don't get too burnt and the vegetables don't get all burned up. And when we're done with that, we're ready to feast. Alright, and so here we are with our finished kebabs. We're just gonna pull these off. They're looking delicious. It's okay if the vegetables, the onion, the pepper, or whatever other vegetables you might use, get a little bit black or burnt, as they're a little softer and more vulnerable than the meat is. But as long as the meat's cooked through thoroughly and the vegetables are nice and soft, it's gonna be delicious eating.
Okay, so here we have our finished kebabs, and they look and smell great.
Yes, they do.
So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.
Thank you.
Thank you.